back to Spoonful Easy Cooking. Today I am going to show you very easy and super tasty recipe which even your kids can make with your guidance. So I am going to show you honey mug cake. So for this rainy season, hot honey mug cakes. So yummy. My daughters love it. I will show you without much delay what are the ingredients. So first what we can do, take a mixing bowl and let's take butter, 2 tablespoons. Please check the description box for the exact quantity what I am taking. I will be just showing right now 2 tablespoons of butter what we require here. And what we need is just this butter, which is, it's in room temperature. So just smoothen this way. And let's add brown sugar to it. I've taken here 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Yes, this will just smoothen it. To this, just let it get blended this way. It's super yummy recipe of honey mug cake. My elder daughter's favorite cake is honey cake. But that won't taste this way. This is a shortcut to honey cake. But it will taste almost the same and the texture is too good. Here we take 1 small or a medium size egg. Yes, here is the egg. Let's blend it. There is no need of heavy blending in this mug cake recipe. So just a stir, a good stir without lumps is important. So let's give a blend. Now let's add the flour little by little. Just give a stir. To this itself, now we have added little flour into it. We'll add baking powder. Half teaspoon of baking powder would be fine. So here we go, half teaspoon of baking powder. Now to this we'll add the remaining flour and a half teaspoon of salt. Let's blend it well. It's got blended. Now what we do, we take vanilla extract. Here I have taken vanilla powder. You can take vanilla essence as well. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence would be fine. This I like. This gives a very good flavor. So this is vanilla powder and the main ingredient, the honey. So let's take 2 or 3 tablespoons of honey. 2 tablespoons and a half. 2.5. Good. Yes. That's enough. Now let's blend it well all together. Yes, our batter is ready. Now let's take any mug. I think this wider mug would be much better for our honey cake. So we just grease little butter to it. It's just in case this batter goes into it. Yes. We shall leave some space because the cake will rise. So we will just leave little space. Just tap it this way in case of any air. It's not much required, but I just do it for all my cake recipes. So here is our small little mug cake. And this goes to the microwave for almost 1.5 minutes. It's in making and the whole house is full of aroma. We'll just, yes, it's almost 1 minute. Let's take out and see. Take out and check out. Aha, it's done. Yes, we'll just check it. Take a toothpick and just pierce in the center and check. Yes, it's clean. Can you see? It's clean. So it just took 1 minute 45 seconds for our honey cake. I don't want to do any frosting or anything because it's a simple mug cake. Yes, but it's rainy season, so let me attract my kids by just placing this. So do relish the amazing honey mug cake with your family. Till then, bye-bye. See you.